I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd make one real quick. I wanted some rabbit, haven't had any for a while, so get one really quick and show you how I do it. So I got a fresh one here. It's getting dark. It's been cold, so they shouldn't have parasites. Sometimes they do, but I think this one's good. I don't feel any in them, so you always want to check. Right after they die, you'll feel them moving around under the skin, but we'll peel it right now, and we'll see for sure. No, I don't think there's any in this one. So yeah, this one's good. Barbecue it. Alright, it's getting dark out, so I'm going to try to do this quick. It's been a minute, so if I'm not the best at it, forgive me, but just how I do it is let's get it right in the middle of its back. It's better if your knife is sharp. And just go in right through the skin. And the fur is really soft. There we go. Go out. And just get your hand in there and just peel that thing. I got the hose right here, so all this stuff sticking on him, we'll get it off right now. Oh yeah. And this one is nice and parasite free. You'll know them if you see them. They're weird. They look like they're like little grub looking things, but they just burrow under the skin. People say you can still eat them if they're in there, but I never do. I just don't like to. And then once you get it like this, where you got the leg and just the legs and the head down there, just break these bones and cut it off. And then you just do the same thing with the head. Just cut right down through the neck and throw all this stuff away. And then you're just going to go in right at the bottom of the stomach right here and try not to poke a hole in any of the internal organs. I just pull it up a little bit, a little flap, and then once you get a little hole, I've never tried this, so I'm going to try to use this like fishing hook thing, but if it doesn't work good, I'll just use the sharp part. Oh, look at that. Worked great. So then you just go in there, take all that stuff out. People eat the liver. I usually don't, but I've heard it's good and like kind of mild compared to other liver, but it's not really my thing. And then I like to cut around the tail just to get all of the parts with the excrement out before you break anything open, just to keep it away from the meat. Not that it really matters, but I think it's a little better that way. Oh, still twitching. Didn't like that. And throw all that stuff away. And then just finish it up. And there we go. Clean it off real quick. And that's a nice clean rabbit. You can clean it off a little better inside, but no hole in it, thinks we got it in the head. It's just a nice piece. Got it cleaned a little better. See, looks pretty good. So when I barbecue it, I just go right up to the rib cage here. And the bones will either break or poke out, either way is fine. But you can tell it's fresh because it's still got a little muscle spasms going on. It's weird looking. And then I don't really do anything fancy. I just give it like a nice coat of barbecue sauce on the bottom, and then put some more over it while you're grilling. I got another bottle, but finish this one off real quick. So my grill is well used. Sorry. Usually I like them over a mesquite grill a little better, but I don't have one yet. But got them nice and sauced up. Then just lay them on there. Let him go for a little bit until throw some more sauce over his back. Got my food thermometer here. Just want to make sure that it's 165, like most wild game. You know, just for food safety and all that. Don't want to get nothing bad from eating animals like this. But there's like a risk with anything, but this just doesn't have all the processes and stuff up in it, you know. Alright, it's been like 15-20 minutes. So we got the top all sauce now. So I just give it a little flip. And let it go for another 15 or so minutes. And then we'll check the temp and see if it's ready or not. Throw a little more sauce on here, why not? Alright, so we got a little nice char going. So I like to check in the thigh first because it's the thicker part. So that's definitely done. Check here just for good measure. Oh yeah. So he's ready. Let's take him on. So that's really all there is to it. If you're gonna share it with other people, you can section it at the legs right here. You can get some cuts underneath the rib cage. then up to the front legs. But if it's just me, I just go at it with the fork and a knife. But yeah, just let it sit for a minute. It's good to go.